In this video, Bitcoin met our first target exactly as predicted, but right now we are going to understand if this is now going to lead into a fake out with the Bitcoin price action. And on top of that, Ethereum is also playing out the bullish divergence that we mentioned in the previous video exactly as predicted. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So let's now dive into this video. And I know na by the time na pinost ko tong video, it will be 2 a.m. and Manila time. So, ang dami lang akong ginawa din kasi for the past few days. Because of course, it was a holiday. So, medyo na-delay yung mga videos ko. But nonetheless, I have been updating everyone sa Instagram ko. So, if hindi kayo nakafollow sa Instagram ko, you can check out my Instagram in the description down below. Or you can check it by @tristanbal on Instagram. And gusto ko rin ipakita din sa inyo din bago i-start yung video how we have been navigating the whole crypto market for the past 3 years. Actually, we have been navigating the crypto market for the past for the past 6 years na, pero binura ko na yung mga previous analysis ko nung umakit si Bitcoin back in 2021, 2022. And then right now, gusto ko ipakita din sa inyo kasi ibubura ko na tong mga previous analysis ko dito. And I think it's time for me to clear out ito. But as you can see, we have been navigating the market ever since to hit natin yung bottom dito ni Bitcoin. We have been navigating the crypto market patuloy-tuloy. And as you can see, kita mo, tingnan nyo guys yung price dito ni Bitcoin nung time na umabot dyan, 115, sorry, it's actually 15k US dollars, 15,000 US dollars, umakit ng 22. You can see we have been monitoring Bitcoin ever since that. And you can see now we have been doing those analysis for the past few years, and we have made a lot of money for the throughout the past 2 years, past 3 years actually. So yeah, hopefully we continue with the upcoming movement in Bitcoin, especially now this is looking like a very big move that it's going to coming within the next few months. And with that being said, gusto ko din sabihin sa inyo na babanggitin ko yung panibagong format na gagawin ko, which is before we start the video, we are going to show you first yung mga updates na binigay ko sa channel ko sa Instagram. Kasi of course, after ko i-post tong video, ipopost ko yung next video mga after 2 or 3 days. But within those 2 or 3 days, of course, may nangyayari din sa crypto market. So, gusto ko din kayo i-update nun, guys. So, in-update ko kayo, guys, sa Instagram ko. So, make sure to follow my IG, guys. Kasi, lahat ng analysis ko, binabanggit ko dyan. And then, sinasabi ko sa inyo yung mga trades ko. Especially yung latest trades ko dito kay Bitcoin and as well as Ethereum na take advantage natin siya. And, ayun. So, I think it's a good time to take a step back dito and itingnan lahat yung naging progress natin dito with our channel. But with that being said, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a recap muna with the Bitcoin price action. So if you have been following the previous video, we have been saying na we were expecting Bitcoin to hit our first target, which is the 112,000 US dollars. However, diba ang sabi ko din sa video is may concern ako, which is the sell volume. If you're going to open the daily time frame and look at the sell volume, wala tayong gaanong sell volume during this Bitcoin breakdown. So in that case, sabi ko sa inyo, that can lead into a fake out. So stop loss around the 117k. But if naka-short position ka, then our take profit area number 1 is the 112,000 US dollars. If magkaroon ng sell volume, saka natin siya continue. But if walang sell volume, then of course, we are going to take profit around that area, which happened na nga dito. So, nag-take profit tayo dyan. And then after that, ano ba nangyari dyan? So, nagbigay din kasi ako ng update sa Instagram ko after posting that video. Let's go back. Ayun, pinost ko yung video na yan. And then, after that, sinabi ko nga sa inyo na nag-form nga tayo ng bullish divergence in the hourly time frame, which is tinitake advantage natin siya. And then, of course, at the same time, napansin din natin na nagkaroon siya ng panibagong resistance dito, which is the descending channel or falling channel, but bullish divergence is still forming. So, nag-open tayo ng short position dyan, wherein we took advantage of that short position. And then, nung nahit natin yung target na yan, which is 112, you can see na we have started opening a new trade dito for this bigger bullish divergence in the hourly time frame. So, ang naging expectation natin dyan kay Bitcoin was actually for this to go back around, pinagit ko dito we were expecting Bitcoin to consolidate from 112 to 116K, which is right now what is happening na nga dito kay Bitcoin. We are in the 116K after hitting the 112,000 US dollars. Now, after that, pinost ko rin din last night na nagpo-form din ng head and shoulders pattern si Ethereum, wherein you can see na meron tayong shoulder dito, may head, and then may shoulder. So in that case, if kukunin natin yung target dito ni Bitcoin, kukunin natin yung height ng head, then lagyan natin sa possible point of breakout. Hindi pala to Bitcoin, sorry, Ethereum to. Kukunin natin yung height dyan, then ang magiging target natin is the 4,600 US dollars. So yun yung naging target natin. But at the same time, gusto ko din i-update din kayo dito yung magiging next move dyan ni Ethereum. So, 'di ba, analysis natin, may nakita tayong head and shoulders pattern, which also played out exactly as predicted din dito kay Ethereum. Ito yung chart. Ethereum, nag-play out siya. And then, yun nga, we were able to take advantage of that, and of course, nakakapagkuha tayo ng profit dyan kahit papano, and then nag-take profit na nga ako dyan. And then right now, what is next for the crypto market? So, first things first, kay Bitcoin, as you can see dito, we saw a massive bounce dyan. But if you're going to look at certain indicators, especially here in the daily time frame, I think it's good to open the 50 MA and 20 MA moving average. You can see na we are right now hitting a resistance dito nga kay Bitcoin around the 20 and 50 day moving average. So I think I think Bitcoin is going to struggle dito within the next few days. So in that case, I am now expecting a consolidation within the 116K to 117,000 US dollars. So I am expecting consolidation then, and then from there on, saka natin i-check yung magiging next move ni Bitcoin dyan. So with regards to that update, make sure to follow my Instagram para of course update na lang doon, and then babanggitin ko yung next part dyan. But for now, we are going to wait for the next move dito kay Bitcoin na mag-form, especially in the RSI, kasi looking at the RSI, wala tayong indicators now dito kay Bitcoin for the short term. For the midterm, you can see na we are seeing that resistance na binanggit ko sa moving average. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, we saw Ethereum go back to the top of the channel. Actually, di ba sa previous video, binanggit ko nga na nagpo-form dito ng channel kay Ethereum, which was this falling channel. And then, di ba, sabi ko nga sa inyo na ang target niyan would be the top of the channel, which has also played out nga din dito. So, ano ba yung naging movement, ano ba yung naging dahilan dito ng pag-akit ni Ethereum? So, ang main cause actually niyan is the Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance. So, di ba binanggit ko din sa previous video na sa Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance, that is going to indicate if Ethereum is going to perform better or Bitcoin is going to perform better. And traditionally, sa Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance chart, ang mangyayari dyan is if itong chart is paakyat, that is going to indicate Ethereum is going to perform better, but if papaba to, Bitcoin is going to perform better. Now, especially if the Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance is increasing, ang mangyayari dyan, if let's say paakyat si Bitcoin, mas lalong aakyat si Ethereum, which is what we have been seeing dito. You can see, Bitcoin went up nga dito, but at the same time, the Ethereum dominance went up. So as you can see, mas malaki yung inakyat ni Ethereum as compared to Bitcoin. So, if you are trading Ethereum, it's very crucial na you follow the Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance before entering into an Ethereum trade. So, with that being said, ano ba yung magiging next move ni Ethereum? So, right now na nakakita na tayo ng pag-akit ni Ethereum dito sa Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance, let's try to zoom out dito kay Ethereum kasi I think right now it's forming a panibagong resistance na nga dito kay Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance, and that is this resistance forming, i-plot natin siya, we are forming a resistance here in the current range ng Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance. So, if you're going to look at this chart, you can see now we have seen a bounce dito previously kay Ethereum, which also became a resistance, and then right now we are actually about to enter that resistance area nga dito ni Ethereum. You can also see na nagkaroon din tayo dito ng resistance kay Ethereum. So, if we want to see Ethereum make a new all-time high, Ethereum must break this resistance dito sa Ethereum dominance. So, if ma-break ni Ethereum dominance to, then of course, we can see a new all-time high dito kay Ethereum. But for now, na hindi pa na-break ni Ethereum itong Ethereum dominance na yan, we have to wait this one out. So, within the next few days, I'm going to give you an update regarding the Ethereum dominance kasi of course, if we want to trade Ethereum within the next few days, we have to closely monitor if mababreak niya tong resistance. Kasi if na-break niya yan, then I think we are going to see a very big move kay Ethereum, especially na this has been consolidating na nga for the past few years kay Ethereum. So, ayun lang talaga update natin for the time being. We are going to update you guys in my next YouTube video. I'm also going to update you guys sa Instagram. And if you don't want to miss itong video na to and yung mga upcoming videos natin, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. And if you want to start trading with the whole cryptocurrency market, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit. Kasi kay Bybit, mas mura Bitcoin trading fees. And you can, if you want to sign up for Bybit, you can check out my sign up link in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.